Hello everyone. My name is Louis. This is homework number 6, and today we're going to talk about designing posters. Uh, Posters are usually presented in large areas. Actually, the three most standard sizes are 1 by 2 meters, 60 by 90 meters, and 40 by 60 meters. We also have to remember that the first measure uh, represents the length of the poster, and the second one represents the height. So, okay, now that we made that clear, um, there are certain methods to make a poster. Actually, there are two popular approaches at making a poster, and the first one is one piece method. And on this one, the presenter may choose to design the poster in one single in one single large piece. It is designed and produced in letter or legal sizes, but it can be enlarged at the printout stage to the desired large size, to the desired larger size. I'm sorry. It is essential to establish the required pixelization and print size if you plan on enlarging your poster. So we also have to be aware of the pixelation uh, of the pictures that we may add into the poster, because when we all know that when we enlarge the picture too much, it usually pixelates a lot and it's kind of blurry and it doesn't look good. So we also have to be very careful with that. Um, the printing material may be otherwise turn out to be pixelated or blurry. Yes. Um, on the approach number 2, we is about the panel method. On this, the canvas of our poster can be divided into a number of separate panels. These may consist of different elements such as pictures, charts, text, or titles. This is visually appropriate way to mark the difference between the content of each panel, and it is usually divided by subjects or topics when required. Um, well, going into another topic, the stages in producing a poster, uh, we there are certain steps, of course. The step number 1 will be the choosing the content. Um, so the first step is to be clear on the task that you have before you and the type of information that you will need to include in your poster. So the following questions are useful reminders of the range of factors that you might need to consider before you start. So the first question will be, what is the purpose of your poster? The second one, who will be looking at your poster? The third one will be, what would your audience be looking for? And the fourth one will be, where would your poster be displayed? And the last one, but will be, uh, do you need any guidelines governing the content of your poster? Um, well, the step number 2 will be making a plan, which has to include a structure. Um, Step number 3, preparing your final poster, and of course, we also have to look at using the text. And well, the text includes the font. For example, Helvetica Palatino times New Roman, which is uh, the you know the one that usually appears when we open up a Word document. You also have to look at the type size, the line spacing or leading, the alignment, the case, the color palette, the diagrams, and step number 4, who we will have to we will be displaying our poster. So with all with all being said, with all of this being said, about the homework, we needed to make a poster. So it didn't actually give us any information about the requirements or the information that we had to include in our poster. So I didn't know what to do. So I just did. Let me show you. I just did this poster. I used the tool that they gave us, that they suggested it, in the homework number 6. I used the link, and then well, I just came up with this idea. No, well, I didn't know what, as I was saying, I didn't know what to. I didn't know what to do, so I just did this. Like I was like promoting the subject that we're actually talking about here, which is a effective presentation workshop. And well, as you can see, I did my title with actually bigger letters than the text that I include below the title. So we also have to look at the title because it has to create some attention. And on the background, I did I chose a black background. Why did I choose a black background? I'm sorry. Well, I don't know. I guess I believe that it looks more elegant. I will say. I don't know. It looks, for me, it looks a lot better. I mean, white, which is the classic one, the white color. But I mean, it is the white is good, but I believe that black is, I don't know. It has that niche that makes it, I don't know, much more legit, as they will say in the United States. Um, so my title, as I was saying, has a bigger font. I think the first one is 14. This one is also 14. The third word is 18, I believe. For these 3 words, I used 3 different types of fonts. So I don't know. I guess I thought it will be much more, much more uh, attempting uh, create to create more a call out of attention. um, well, going to the text here below the title. Well, I as you can see, used a smaller font, um, which I'm going to read what it says. The goal of this course is to demystify the presentation and performing a clear and engaging speech with quality and precise visual effects. This course will help you improve the quality of your presentations and to present your information with confidence. And on the side, I also placed a picture of, representing the message of this poster. Well, there's a speaker right here standing up, and there's an audience, like they seem to be enjoying the presentation. I guess that they're applauding or clapping at, because the presentation was really good. And well, the picture represents the message, or it, I don't know, I forgot the word. Well, it represents the message of the poster, effective presentations. And well, for me, that this will be all. I hope you like this video, and well, we see you next time.